Hello friends, welcome to E-SHIKSHA. This is series 6 on Python. Today we are going to deal with comparison, which is also called relational operators in Python. So first of all, we have to know the difference between a calculator and a computer, because computer can do all sort of logical work which is not possible for a calculator. So let us understand the difference between a calculator and a computer. A calculator can perform mathematical operations only, whereas a computer can perform various tasks like arithmetic operations, logical operations, sorting, inserting, comparison of different types of data and information, and many more. So now let us know the different relational operators that are available in Python. In Python, we have less than, equal to, which is in mathematics we use only single equal to. This is greater than equal to. This is more than equal to. This is not equal to. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 relational operators or comparison operators in Python. Now, relational operators in Python compare the operand values, that is the values on either side, A greater than B. A and B are the two operands in between you are using relational operator greater than sign. So when you evaluate this will either return true or false depending on the condition. The relational operators in Python return a Boolean value, as I told you, either true or false, T capital and F capital, based on the value of operands. So now let us go to our Python window and let us understand all these relational operators, right? So like as I told you, the print statement out here is what? Print. If I say 16 is equal to 16, if we do this, sorry, print is written in capital, my caps lock is on, so I have to put it off and I have to write this. So this is going to tell you what? True. 16 is really equal to 16. Print 16 is less than 90. 16 is less than 90. So this will also give you true. If I say print 90 is more than 98, so this will give you what? 90, is it greater than 98? No, so it will give you false. So this way you can do what? You can check all the operators using relational operators. Now let us go to our script mode and let us write a program. Few programs I'm going to show you and you will understand the use of this relational operators in your programming. So first of all, I'm going to check whether a number is even or odd. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to assign a number. So you say A is equal to 20 and I'm going to take another operand, that is value B is equal to 90. So if you say no, even or odd I said no, so this is only one value required, and you say what? If A mod 2, if you divide A by 2 and if the remainder is equal to 0, then you're going to do what? Print even, else colon, colon you have to give, don't forget that here also colon is missing. And alignment in Python is very important, so this we only have to write this one. I have written in capital, so let me do this one also, that is EVAN. So this is the whole program. Now I'm going to run the program. It will tell you to save it. I'm going to save as SK41, and automatic extension of .py will be given by the software itself. Okay, so saved. So 20 is an even number. Let us go to this and script mode and let us put 23 out here, and now let me run the program. It is 21 is odd number. Okay, so this is how you're going to check even or odd. Now let us again go to our script mode and write some other program. Let us check whether a person is eligible to vote or not. In India, a person who's 18 or above, they are eligible. So let me take 29. Now you're checking if your age is more than or equal to 18. If the person is 18 or more, then you are going to print what? Eligible to vote. Otherwise, you are going to print what? Not eligible to vote. So add one word, that is not eligible to vote. Now you again run the program. Save. Okay, so eligible to vote. Why? Because I gave 29, which is more than 18, right? Now if you give 18 also, then also it will tell you what? Eligible to vote. 18 and above, they are eligible. Now let me change to something else, make it 13, and you run the program once more. Not eligible to vote. So this is how you're going to use your relational operators in Python. Let us try one more program in Python. Okay, now let us try what? Suppose triangle is possible or not. Okay, 3 angles you're going to give. A, B is equal to, suppose A is 60, B is 60, and C is equal to 60 only. So if you sum them up, what you're going to get? Sum is equal to A plus B plus C, sum of the angles, right? If the sum of the angles is equal to, that is equal to 180, then triangle is possible. Else you are going to print triangle is not possible. Okay, so we are not using any logical operator, only single condition we are testing, right? I'm going to make a video on logical operators also, where I'm going to use multiple conditions. So first, now let us check this program. A is not defined. Okay, let us see what has gone wrong. A is in capital letter. No, it is in small. So you have to do this. Okay, because I have used here capital. So now you run the module. Triangle is possible. Now let us go to again this window and let me make this one as 50. So this is not equal to 180. Therefore it should print triangle is not possible. Now let us run this. So here it is saying what? Triangle is not possible. So therefore this is the way to use relational operators in Python. You use in your own way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.